from the 5 Eyewitness News Studios.
Fancy up your Thanksgiving table with Centerpieces. You can make it home with a few items you might already have. I'm telling you, it's easy. I love this flower guy that's on our show. Yeah.
We're going to make an impressive Thanksgiving centerpiece with the help of our celebrity flower expert and things you might already have in your house that would work too. If your Thanksgiving focal point is the turkey, chances are you're going to be spending a lot of time in the kitchen. It's time to keep things simple when it comes to the decor.
Yeah, so here with some quick and easy Thanksgiving Day centerpieces is celebrity floral design expert and founder of the Minneapolis School of Flower Design, Michael Gaffney. Welcome
Good to have
back.
you back. It's great to have you back.
I just tell you, you've been here a few times before, and one thing, you can tell that you're such a great teacher because really, I mean, John has been able to put stuff together. I can put stuff together. Yeah, in seconds.
Right.
And so I want to show you what I made. Okay, you guys, I made this flower arrangement at my house. This was actually a container, a square container that you left.
How many years of training did you have to make that?
No, I've had 3 Twin Cities live segments. And you left that container for me and showed us how to do the floral foam in the container. Right. I went home, I bought a bunch of flowers just from Trader Joe's and put it in, and I was like kind of proud.
Miracle worker.
Was that okay?
Our students are always amazed. It's flower designing is really based on construction of design, as we're going to talk about. So it's not that hard.
Yeah.
And my students are always amazed when they come in and they walk out with like beautiful things in first class. You've done great. You've done great. So it's a doable art form.
Just pay attention.
It's a doable art form.
Let's talk centerpieces today.
Centerpieces.
Yes, as a commercial designer, which is what we instruct at the Minneapolis School of Flower Design, you have clients who have different styles of home. So we brought the same flowers in 3 different styles. So it's design, design, design. You know, that's what we do. So in the middle, we have traditional, traditional holiday centerpiece. Same flowers over here, a little bit more modern, a little more contemporary.
That's the traditional we're taking a look at right now.
And way over there, we've got super modern, uber modern look for the tabletop.